In class 10, after summer vacation, your UET, your next chapter is Hydrosphere. What is Hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means the water bodies, that is ocean, seas, lakes, river of the earth's surface makes the hydrosphere. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water, 30% is land. A large water bodies like ocean is there, and the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. There are 5 oceans: Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Antarctic. These oceans are responsible for many of the things that is related to the earth. Most important thing that we get from the ocean is ocean currents, as the irregular movements of water from one part of the ocean to the other. Among all these oceans, some are in the polar regions like Arctic and Antarctic, so here the water is very cold. The places of Pacific, Atlantic, whoever crosses the equator, the water there is very hot. Now, ocean currents, as the irregular movement of water from one part of the earth to the other part of the earth. They are temporary or long lasting. The movement may be long lasting or temporary. This movements might be, so here this might be on the top of the water or underneath near the bed of the ocean also. The ocean currents shape the Earth's climatic pattern also, because with the ocean currents heat moves from one part to the other part of the world. A very slow moving ocean current with an average speed to 3 to 4 km is often called drift. Unlike ocean current, which can be found in deep ocean, also waves and movements of the surface water of the ocean seas with only rise and fall of water surface. There is no onward motion of ocean current. The waves are caused by the friction. As the wind is blowing over the water, it come in contact with the water, and when it moves in a great speed, the water particles also get friction. Friction occurs, and so the waves are occurring. So the speed of the wind and the area over which the wind is blowing, on that these waves are formation of waves are dependent. Types of ocean currents, 2 types. One is warm current and cold current. Warm currents, they flow from the tropical areas towards the polar regions. They are warm and light, where they flow along the surface of the ocean. Whereas cold current, they are cold, they come from the polar to the tropical regions or into the equatorial regions. They are cold and they are heavy. They flow at the lower level of the ocean as undercurrent. What are the causes of ocean current? There are different causes like rotation of the earth, wind, temperature and salinity of the water, density of the ocean water, melting of ice, shape of the coasts or coastlines, seasonal variation, which we will discuss afterwards. For today, this much is okay.